Birthday girl? Your Princess Anna?
Yes, we are. Papa.
Here, see yourself. Yes, see? You're looking very good, but your hair is not looking good, Maryam. Come here.
No, it's not good. No, come here. I come no.
Okay, ये तुम बना लो. ये लो. तुम बना लो ये लो. You made your hair like this.
Ouch.
ये लो पकड़ो.
Slowly.
Oh, I'm sorry. I will do it slowly. I'm slow. See? Now Papa is doing slowly. Slowly. तुम बोलो slowly.
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 Slowly. Slowly.
Slowly. Slowly. Turn. Slowly.
Slowly. Slowly. Slowly. Slowly. Slowly.
Slowly. Slowly. Mama is making you a video. Wow. Maryam? Yes, take a turn. Yes, sure. Happy birthday to you. Tomorrow is the power half.
What are you?
Give me this. Bye.
Bye bye.
No. One.
Birthday girl?
Hmm.
Where are you going?
I going to a birthday party for Maryam.
You are going for a birthday party for Maryam?
Yes, cake cutting.
Cake cutting?
May I come in?
आपने सुना नहीं क्या बोला इसने?
क्या?
मैंने उससे पूछा where are you going? तो उसने बोला I am going for a birthday party for Maryam.
Again, Maryam. Where are you going?
Going to go for my birthday party.
Birthday
for
party?
Maryam.
Wow, happy birthday, Maryam.
No.
Happy birthday.
No, I show you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Wow.
Happy birthday to Maryam. Happy birthday to you.
Yay. Navigate to the nearest the cheesecake factory.
I can think cheese battery. Which cheese battery?
सही है. Yalla.
Which cheese battery?
Not
Head
battery.
southwest on Al
factory.
Sheikh Hamad Al Nasir Al
It's
Wahid.
factory.
Yellow car.
Okay, wait, Maryam. I'll change with the yellow car. Wait. Happy?
Wait.
You always like yellow car, Maryam?
Yeah, I will.
तो इसकी वजह से अब इसका इस एरिया का रेट भी एकदम हाई हो गया है क्योंकि सारे सऊदी इधर आ गए हैं. सारे फन एरियाज यहीं हैं. सारे कंपनीज यहीं खुल गई हैं. ऑलमोस्ट शिफ्ट हो रही हैं इस एरिया में. और जैसे मेरी कंपनी शिफ्ट हुई है यहाँ पर इसी चक्कर में. तो मेन एक्टिविटी सारी यहीं पर होती है भाई. यही है जो मेन
Take the
जिसे
next
कहते
right
हैं
on
हार्ट ऑफ
Eastern
रियाद
Ring Branch Road.
वो है ये.
वो क्या बोलते हैं? रियाद बुलवार.
बॉलीवुड.
Continue for 2 kilometers.
फ्रेंच में बुलवार होता है.
बुलवार. ओके भाई.
बुलवार.
ओके आपका फ्रेंच वाह यार मरियम ने सही बोल दिया. हाँ मरियम मोरक्को में फ्रेंच पढ़ के आई है ना थोड़ा सा.
वो यहाँ से कितना दूर है?
पता नहीं भाई मुझे तो चेक करना पड़ेगा. I don't know.
बुलवार. ये आ गया द चीज फैक्ट्री.
हाँ तो वो भी तो आ गया बराबर में. क्या? चक्की चीज भी आ गया बराबर में. और ब्रश भी देखो कितना सब है यहाँ पर. वो देखो शॉपिंग मॉल देखो कितने बड़े बड़े शॉपिंग मॉल है मेरे साइड. यस बेटू.
Look at this. Papa, it's gonna be faster. It's going faster. It's
Yes.
going faster. Faster.
Okay.
Slight right, then turn right.
Faster, right?
Your destination is on the right.
Okay. Thank you.
Oi, Papa!
is Mark and my friend is Eric. We are taking care of you tonight, sir.
Thank you, Mark.
Sir, our soup for the day is the rustic lentil soup, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Whenever you're ready to order, just let us know.
Yes, but I have a request.
Yes, sir.
My daughter have birthday today,
Yes, sir.
so you can arrange a cake,
Yes,
please,
sir.
and everything. Her name is Maryam.
Marie?
Maryam.
Miriam.
M-A-R-Y-A. M-A-R-Y-A-M. M-A-R-Y-A-M.
Ah,
That's
okay.
it.
That's it. Very good.
Okay? Thank you.
After the food, sir, no?
That's fine. Yes, dear.
Please speak slowly.
What is this?
What do you see? Did you see cars? Wow.
I can see. I can see. Where's Mama's car? Just right.
स्टेक टाकोस ले लूं क्या?
Okay.
हाँ?
Maryam, this is butter.
This one. Wow. I was Papa.
ये क्या है? स्ट्रॉबेरी मोहितो.
मेरे ख्याल से स्ट्रॉबेरी का वही वो है, क्या बोलते हैं उसको? हाँ, वही तो ही होगा.
This one.
Which salad is this?
Caesar salad.
Caesar.
I'll send Uncle. I'll send Uncle.
You want to attend call?
Uncle.
That burger?
This one.
Okay, you want this burger? Okay, I'll tell them. Wait.
क्या है ये? Beef steaks.
मैंने तो उसको वो बोला था, मीट लोफ. पता नहीं शायद मीट लोफ जो
Watermelon.
और ये आलू
Watermelon.
mashed potato है
रात में.
और corns.
Birthday from the cheesecake. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Miriam.
Yay! Mahim, say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Miriam.
Thank you, boss. Thank you. Thank you, boss.
Thank you.
Thank you.
One more?
No, thank you, thank you. Now Maryam will eat the cake. Yes, Maryam?
Yes.
You happy? This is
I like it.
You like this place? Wait.
Sorry.
Come here. See, they wrote your name, Maryam.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Cake. Maryam, happy birthday to you.
Yay! Is this yummy? What is जबरदस्त केक है यार, out of this world. Yes, मनी को लिखा.